Hi everybody, Frank and Teskey here at MarineMax in Brick, New Jersey. I'm here to show you our brand new 2025 Cruiser Yachts 46 Cantius. Come check it out. Back here on the transom of the boat, this is the Kingston Gray hull color with Havana interior, faux teak on the transom all the way up into the cockpit. This submersible swim platform can hold up to a 650-pound tender, and these steps do deploy down when that is submerged. Let's go up in the cockpit. Here in the cockpit, when you walk up, you have nice L-shaped seating here. You can really see that Havana upholstery pop. We have refrigerator, phone charger, some cup holders, and some table space. On the starboard side, you do have refrigerator and controls for everything on the exterior. On the control panel, you have access for your sunshade. That'll deploy out. What's nice with the sunshade, it extends back in that cockpit, giving everybody shade in the L-shaped seating. Sitting up on the hardtop, it's really worth noting that this boat does come with the Garmin Open Array radar. Down below in the engine room, you actually get to see where all the magic happens. Powered by twin Volvo Penta D6s, pushes the boat about 31 knots. We have Seakeeper on board and a nice Kohler generator right behind us. Favorite feature here in the cockpit is how these doors open up to expand that area. Slide them across. And now your guests from exterior can join interior, and really nice access into the aft galley. Here in the galley, quick access to our cooktop, sink. We do have a microwave right below the cabinet countertop here. Cabinet storage, and as we make our way onto the starboard side, twin fridge freezer combos where you control the temperature. This TV will pull out and can face forward or aft for your guests, and then more storage above and to the side. Making our way up to the helm, we have a few seating areas. Nice love seat here behind the helm. Storage behind that. As we make our way to the port side, this is a removable table. Little L-shaped seating here, really nice for passengers when you're on a longer trip. This can lower down into a bed. Up at the helm, you have really easy access to all your electronic equipment. VHF radio, nice phone charger, spotlight, twin Garmin displays, stereo, traditional style compass, switching, binnacles, trim tabs, and then our joystick. My last favorite feature here in the salon would be the hardtop opening. Really gives you nice sunlight and changes up the whole vibe on the boat. Heading down below, we're going to go right into the VIP. Shows off this awesome headspace in here. Really nice ability to walk around this bed on both sides. We do have storage for the closet space and then access to our day head. One of the nicest VIP heads in the industry. Separate shower, lots of room. Your guests on board will be very pleased. Adjacent to the VIP is really nice storage for linens, bedding, anything like that as you make your way into the primary stateroom. Expansive shower in the primary head. I really like the countertop space and all the storage. It really shows off this area with that light walnut accents as well. Heading out of the primary bathroom, we do have closet space right here. We're going to find washer dryer combo forward of the bed, tucked away right there. And we're going to come back this way to check out my favorite feature, which is this nice lounger. Whether you're doing work or relaxing after a long day, really nice space here to lay out. Countertop as well, TV, and it's really tough to beat this view sitting right staring out at the water. Alright everybody, the last section of our boat tour today on this beautiful 46 Cantius is the bow seating. Two forward-facing loungers with a table. Table nicely pops up right underneath that seat. Seats can lay down if you would like to be seated or inclined. Again, my name is Frank Cantius. Thank you for your time on this beautiful 46 Cantius. Come check us out at MarineMax Brick. See you out on the water.